the right AI-powered software development platform isn't easy. That's why we're here, to help you decide what's best for your next software project. Here's how Xamun compares with Builder.ai. Builder's approach is semi-automated with a lot of human involvement behind the scenes. Think of it as a managed service that uses automation to speed things up. The typical workflow: define your app, get an automated estimate, and then a team takes over to build it. It's best suited for SMEs and enterprises that want a finished product without getting too deep into the tech. But that comes with trade-offs: less flexibility, more reliance on their team, and templated designs that may limit customization. Now let's look at Xamun. It's built for collaborative teams and projects that need structure, alignment, and predictability. From planning and design to validation and deployment, everything flows in a clear step-by-step process. Xamun works great for enterprise apps, tools with multiple user roles, and teams that care about governance and control. You get clear timelines, predictable costs, and outcomes that everyone's aligned on, right from the start. If your mindset is, let's agree on what we want first, then let AI build it right, then Xamun is the platform for you. Ready to build smarter with AI? Visit Xamun.ai and start your first project today.